when American muscle meets futuristic precision and refuses to compromise. You get this, the 2026 Corvette. This isn't just a car. This is Chevrolet rewriting the definition of speed, luxury, and status, all in one jaw-dropping silhouette. They said the last-gen Corvette was unbeatable. They were wrong because the 2026 Corvette is here, and it's brutal, beautiful, and borderline unfair to anything else in its class. You might think you've seen fast. You might think you felt power. But this feels illegal. 0 to 60 faster than your favorite playlist loads. Tech that's smarter than your GPS-obsessed friend, and a cockpit that makes Ferraris nervous. So the real question isn't, is this Corvette good? It's, is this the end of the supercar as we know it? Let's find out. The 2026 Corvette doesn't whisper luxury. It shouts it in carbon fiber. Sharp, sculpted lines slice through air like a fighter jet. The aggressive front grille and redesigned LED lighting aren't just pretty, they're predators on the road. And those forged alloy wheels? They don't roll, they glide. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated 5.5-liter flat plane, V8 that sounds feral. We're talking 670 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, and a top speed that legally can't be tested in 48 states. This engine doesn't just roar, it screams rebellion. And if that's not wild enough, Chevrolet's whispering about a hybrid Zora edition, pushing over 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you read that right. Handling, magnetic ride control that adjusts faster than your mood swings. Cornering is razor sharp. Ferrari 296 GTB levels of grip, but smoother, friendlier, less track day snob, more daily drive assassin. Driving it feels criminal, not in a reckless way, but in a, how is this legal under $200,000 kind of way? If power had a pulse and luxury had wheels, this is exactly what it would feel like. This was shocking. Chevy didn't just bring luxury, they brought NASA-grade intelligence. You get a fully customizable digital cockpit, heads-up display with augmented reality navigation, and AI-assisted adaptive suspension that reads the road like it's clairvoyant. Need assistance? The new Smart Pilot system handles steering, braking, and even subtle lane nudges with the smooth confidence of an experienced chauffeur. And the infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OTA updates, and voice recognition so good it understands sarcasm. There's even biometric seat memory that adjusts to your posture. Safety, world class. Adaptive cruise, emergency braking, blind spot warping tech, you name it. The 2026 Corvette isn't just evolving, it's leading. With features so ahead of the curve, they're practically showing off. Here's where things get spicy. This car punches in Ferrari territory, but with a price tag rumored to start just under $120,000, that's absurd. For this level of performance and tech, Ferrari and McLaren are sweating. Hard Corvette's no longer the underdog, it's the disruptor. Tesla's Plaid might be faster in a straight line, but this Corvette has soul. BMW, Audi, Mercedes. They're watching from the sidelines. And with whispers of a limited Zora edition, good luck getting one if you blink. If exclusivity is your game and you don't want to drop $300,000, this might be your one shot at supercar royalty. Since 1953, the Corvette's been America's response to Europe's high-dollar speed machines. Fast, loud, unapologetically bold. But the 2026 model, it's the biggest evolution yet. Mid-engine precision, luxury-grade tech, and performance numbers that make the old guard sweat. The icon didn't just grow up, it got ruthless. The 2026 Corvette isn't a car, it's a power move. It dares you to rethink what a supercar can be. Brutal speed, intelligent luxury, and a name that carries 7 decades of legend status. So here's the question. Would you trade the badge for the better car? Drop your thoughts below. Would you take this over a Ferrari, Lambo, or Taycan Turbo S? Smash that like if you felt goosebumps. Hit subscribe if you're bold enough to drive different. The future has arrived. It just happens to sound like thunder.